Hello guys, welcome back. In this video guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to convert image to PDF. So guys, I have an example here. This image I want to convert to the PDF. So I will go here directly, then search on Google image to PDF. Then guys, we are going to join to the first website. It's called ilovepdf.com. Then select the image. So I will select my image, wanna convert to PDF. Then click guys. Here is a lot of options, like if you want to change it to landscape like this or portrait. And then here is option for page size if you want like this or just like this. Here's a small, the margin, or just no margin, big. So here's some options. Then when you finish the settings, please click to convert to the PDF. It's really easy. Here we go, the image is ready. So we are going to click to download PDF, and I will click to my PDF, and this is my PDF file converted from image to PDF. So guys, I will be happy if you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe my video, and I will be happy if you put a comment. Thank you guys, see you in another video.